Hey guys, CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders. We're going over the stochastic today. This is going to be another short video lesson talking about an indicator, and we're going to be going over how to add it, what it's for, and how to use it. So we're looking at a TradingView chart of Tesla on the daily, and it's a line chart. So TradingView is a free platform that you can chart anything from a cryptocurrency to a stock such as Tesla, and we're going to be jumping straight into how to add it. So you go up here to FX indicators, go to the search bar, Stoch, make sure it's under built-in, and just give it a click. It'll pop up here at the bottom, and what you're looking at now is this purple box being the normal range, this very large horizontal purple box, and then these two lines, this blue and this orange line here. Now these represent different things. So overall, the stochastic is gauging the momentum for a certain security. Now when the momentum is going upwards and you're seeing an increase in price, you typically see the stochastic pointed in an upward motion. Now, when those lines are further apart, that means that there is more momentum. So when it's a blue line, and now this is all stacking one on top of another. When it's the blue line, this blue line, over the orange line, that's bullish. You see it pointing upwards. See the stock going upwards. When it's orange line over blue line, that's it going downwards. And again, the further the lines, the more momentum it has. So when those lines are intersecting, those are the points that you need to be watching out for, because you may be seeing it reversing its trend or consolidating from its previous trend. That is the stochastic. That is how you use it. That's what it's for. So ideally, you would want to get in towards the bottom of a range, the bottom of the range for the stochastic. When it's going from bearish, you see this bearish blue line under orange line, bearish, flipping, lines cross here, blue line now over orange line, separating, going upwards, coming further and further apart. These lines are becoming further and further apart as they go up. So you would be able to buy in here when it's crossing and ride it out until it's back within its normal range, starts to peak out, starts to cross again right here, then you could exit. And that's how you use it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Later, guys.